Welcome back to Your Health Matters with Health Coach Lisa. Thank you for tuning back in. I hope you are healthy, well, and staying on your health journey and your path to a better, healthier you for the year 2025. Today, I'm going to talk about mindfulness. Why mindfulness is important. Mindfulness in health and wellness is the practice of intentionally focusing on the present moment without judgment, promoting a state of awareness of one's thoughts, feelings, and sensations. Key aspects of mindfulness. You might want to write this down, grab a pen and paper. You know that you can always go back on my video, just pause it and go grab a pen and paper and start incorporating these in your life. These are some of the things that I do. Key aspects of mindfulness. Focus on present. Mindfulness involves directing your attention to what is happening right now without dwelling on past or worrying about the future. Now, you may not have consciously known that worrying contributes to stress. Stress is a contributing factor to overeating. So if you are on your health journey to losing weight, you have to eliminate worry and stress. That actually is one of the biggest contributing factors to overeating and looking for comfort foods. Awareness of internal and external sensations. Mindfulness of awareness of internal and external sensations encourages you to pay attention to what's happening inside your body, like physical sensations, and outside your environment, like sights, sounds, and smells. That is important also to know that environment plays a big factor in your health and wellness. By focusing on the present, you can minimize worrying, leading to a sense of calm and well-being. Mindful eating. Paying attention to the taste, texture, and smell of your food can make your meals more enjoyable and reduce mindless overeating. Now, I remember when I grew up, we were taught to chew our food slowly. In the society that we live in now, it promotes everything in a hurry. Fast food, fast everything, get it done in a hurry. And then we wonder why we're still hungry. Start chewing your food and tasting what you're eating is very important. Because when you eat a lot of sugary sweets and fast foods, it can change your taste buds. So then you are just eating and don't even know that what you're eating is not actually the food, it's the chemicals that you're craving. And so when you are mindful of what you're eating, you will find that you are craving less junk, chemicals, and processed foods. Improved mental health. Mindfulness can help manage symptoms of depression, anxiety, and other mental health conditions. Isn't that interesting? I can say for myself, when I stopped eating a lot of fast food, I can say I was very much with anxiety. My anxiety has went away 100%. Even a little depression, because this is a contributing factor to mental health, is that they're finding, once again, do your own research, it's the chemicals in our foods. You're eating a lot of chemicals when you go out to fast food restaurants. And again, look up the ingredients before you continue to consume fast foods. Mindfulness can help you relax, calm your mind, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. So that's also very important to know that meditation, yoga, again, mindfulness can actually help you to sleep better. You want to just clear out your mind before you go to bed, do a little bit of meditation, and empty out all the junk from the day because we are overloaded with information, chemicals, and that leads to unhealthy lifestyles. And now our sleep is all off. We don't have any energy for the day. And a lot of it is due to worrying. I can vouch for that. Now we want to talk about mindful breathing. Paying attention to the sensation of your breath can be a simple way to ground yourself in the present. This is going back again to meditation. You can go to YouTube and put in mindful meditations. I actually have a lot of different, in the morning when I wake up, I say my meditations and I do a little yoga, and it really, really helps. And then again before bed. But it's basically breathing. That's all it is. It's your breathing. So you want to breathe through your nose. Blow it out. Breathe through your nose and push out the air. Not only are you getting oxygen through your lungs and your brain, you are now paying attention to your breath, which is important. You're in the present moment. Stay in the present moment. Non-judgmental observation. You observe your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as they arise, without labeling them as good or bad, right or wrong. That is a very important thing to know as well. A lot of times our thoughts, our mind can get us in trouble. We have to, again, I do mind through meditation. We have to calm our minds down. Our minds, it's too much again in this society. We're being overloaded and inundated with information. Turn off the TV, create your own space, and concentrate on what you want. Do your breathing exercises. I don't care if it's once a day or before bed, but it is very, very important to a better, healthier you. Now let's talk about how to practice mindfulness. You can do this several ways. I do sitting meditations. Sitting meditation is simple. You just find a place again that is quiet, a space of your own. Sit, breathe in, do that first, and just push everything out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. Or you can walk. Walking is amazing, and it's healthy for you. It's good exercise. If you do walking meditation, just look at what's around you. Just breathe in the air and let any worry, stress, or anxiety go. Do not focus on anything that's negative. Worry, stress, again, let it go. When you walk, it is a form of meditation and help you in your present moment of awareness. I think that's very, very important, as also walking can help you lose weight. So the benefit in walking is weight loss, your environment, your well-being, and it's refreshing sometimes just to get out in nature. Go walk in nature. Nature is actually very serene and very healing. Sometimes I go into nature and I take my shoes off. It's called grounding. And when you do the grounding work also, there are benefits from putting your feet in the earth. The earth has electricity. The earth is a living being. You sit quietly, just put your feet on the earth, do your meditation, and stay in the present moment. Again, stay in the present moment. Now, I hope that this has helped you. And if you have any questions or comments, if there's a particular subject that you would like me to talk about concerning your health and wellness, please leave a comment down in the comment section. And you can also, if you are looking for a health coach, you can also leave, not leave your information. You can email me at yourhealthmatters777@gmail.com. I will respond within one day. I have been a health coach for many years, close to 30. So for everything from smoking cessation to weight loss to even spirituality, trauma, anxiety, whatever you're dealing with right now, and you have to do your part, of course, but I can help you. Just contact me and leave your information again in my email, and I will get back to you. I hope that you are going to continue with your health journey, and if you get off the bandwagon, get right back on. No stopping, no matter what it looks like, no stopping. It is your time, it is your life, and you are the only one that can get to your goals. Again, anything that you want to know with health and wellness, you can contact me. Or again, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel if my content resonates with you. Until next time, God bless and take care.